Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on principles of management. This is part 12. Now come to the question number 1. A rigid plan, no scope for discretion dash A. Rule, B. Schedules, C. Procedures, D. Budgets. Correct option is A. Rule. 2. Specifying the manner of executing policy is known as dash A. Objective, B. Schedules, C. Procedures, D. Budgets. Correct option is C. Procedures. 3. Dash is the harmonizing or synchronizing of individual efforts with the purpose of achieving group goals. A. Coordination, B. Control, C. Decision making, or D. Delegation. Correct option is A. Coordination. Dash. 4. The dash is an obligation to perform certain functions and achieve certain results. A. Responsibility, B. Decentralization, C. Centralization, D. Delegation. Correct option is A. Responsibility. 5. Plan that establishes a required method of handling future activities is called dash A. Rules, B. Procedures, C. Policy, D. Methods. Correct option is B. Procedure. 6. Set of clear instruction in a clear and logical sequence to perform a particular task dash A. Rules, B. Program, C. Policy, D. Methods. Correct option is B. Program. 7. Employees will be promoted on the basis of seniority is an example of dash A. Rules, B. Procedures, C. Policy, D. Methods. Correct option is C. Policy. 8. Steps to be taken for selecting salesperson is an example of A. Rules, B. Procedures, C. Policy, D. Methods. Correct option is B. Procedures. 9. An identified group of people contributing their efforts towards the attainment of goals is called an A. Organization, B. Business, C. Management, D. Department. Correct option is A. Organization. 10. A system of cooperative activities of two or more persons is called dash A. Department, B. Coordination, C. Organization, D. Control. Correct option is C. Organization. 11. Supply of human and materials resources and helps to achieve the objective of business is dash A. Planning, B. Organization, C. Management, D. Control. Correct option is B. Organization. 12. Formal authority flows from upwards to downwards in dash A. Formal organization, B. Informal organization, C. Business organization, or D. Strategic organization. Correct option is A. Formal organization. 30. Informal authority flows upwards to downwards or horizontally in dash A. Formal organization, B. Informal, C. Business, or D. Strategic. Correct option is B. Informal organization. 40. Rules, duties, and responsibilities of workers are given in writing in A. Formal organization, B. Informal, D. Business, or C or D. Strategic. Correct option is A. Formal organization. 15. Which is created for technical purpose? A. Formal organization, B. Informal, C. Business, or D. Strategic organization. Correct option is A. Formal organization. 16. Which arises from man's quest for social satisfaction. So correct option is B. Informal organization. 17. Which type of organization is permanent and stable? Correct option is A. Formal organization. 18. Which type of organization gives importance to terms of authority and functions? Correct option is A. Formal organization. 19. Which type of organization gives importance to people and their relationships? Correct option is B. Informal organization. 20. Which organizational relationship gives a greater job satisfaction and results in maximum production? Correct option is B. Informal organization. 21. Which type of organization has no place in the organization chart? Correct option is B. Informal organization. 22. Decision making is the selection based on some criteria from two or more possible alternatives is defined by. Correct option is C. Terry. 23. The selection of best alternative from any alternatives is known as. Correct option is B. Decision making. 24. Deal with routine and repetitive problems is a dash. Correct option is a programmed decision. 25. Placing a purpose order is an example of correct option is A. Programmed decision. 26. The decision which is taken within the purview of the policy of the organization is dash. Correct option is A. Programmed decision. 27. The decision taken by lower level management is dash. Correct option is A. Programmed decision. 28. The decision deal with novel and non-repetitive problems is dash. Correct option is A. Programmed decision. 29. Opening of new branch is an example of correct option is B. Non-programmed decision. 30. The decision taken by high-level management is dash. Correct option is B. Non-programmed decisions. So this was all this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.